Learn HTML005. How to use meta charset equals utf-8 in HTML. We studied in the last videos about Visual Studio Code installation, simple HTML structure, how to make and save new HTML files, and how to display HTML on web pages. For those of you who haven't seen these videos, it would be helpful to watch them after you subscribe at the end of this video. 001. Understanding of basic HTML structure. 002. How to install Visual Studio Code. 003. How to save and display HTML code in web browser. 004. How to use lang attribute in HTML. Following that, I would like to introduce the meaning of meta tag and the most used charset attribute among meta tag attributes. The table of contents of this video is shown below. 1. What is a meta tag? 2. Description of the charset attribute of the meta tag. 3. Let's do HTML coding. 1. It is a description of the meta tag. Meta tag means a lot. But here, meta tag means a lot of information about HTML documents. Meta tag does not appear on web pages, but are usually used to specify metadata. Such as descriptions, keywords, and authors of documents, enabling the web browser to parse them. For this meta information to be passed to the web browser, it must be encoded. Encoding is the process of putting the series of characters, numeric, punctuation, and specific symbols into binary format for efficient storage. There are several types of meta tag, and the attributes of the meta tag are as follows. The head tag is located inside the HTML tag. The meta tag is placed inside the head tag. Use the meta tag as a single tag without closing tags. 2. It is a description of the charset attribute of the meta tag. Charset, which stands for character set, increases the number of characters available in HTML to a pre-coded character set called utf-8, as well as a limited character in the keyboard. This is why web browsers can recognize not only English but also other foreign languages, and text strings such as that are not on the keyboard can be entered. If we record strings such as and write HTML documents without declaring this tag, we can prevent serious errors such as character break. You must enter utf-8 within the double quotes to declare encoding so that your web browser will know what encoding this document is for publishing web pages. The encoding declaration is different for HTML5 and HTML 4.01. Although the declaration of charset properties before HTML 4.01 was very long, for HTML 4.01 meta HTTP equals content type content equals text / HTML charset equals utf-8. HTML5 could declare charset attribute very simply. For HTML5, Meta charset equals utf-8. Most recently HTML5 is used, so it is not used well before HTML 4.01 except under special circumstances. Three. Let's do HTML coding. HTML gets better as you repeat coding. So let's try coding.